Hello my dear students and my friends. Today in this video we are going to the NCERT exercise 2.2 question number 2. In the previous video I have recorded the necessary data required to solve this question. Okay, so let's start with the question number 2. In this question, what is given? You are given the sum and the product of the zeros. Okay, and you have to find a quadratic polynomial. So let's go with the question number 1 of second question. So in this, the first number is given as what? 1 by 4, and second number is what? Minus 1. So now you need to understand in this question what is given. The first number is what? Sum of the zeros, and the second number is what? Product of the zeros. If I say alpha and beta are what? Zeros of a quadratic polynomial, then quadratic polynomial is given by p of x is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Okay, how this equation came out, we have done it in the previous session. Okay, so let's do this question. So now the first number here is nothing but what? 1 by 4, and this 1 by 4 is nothing but what? Alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is nothing but what? 1 by 4, and alpha into beta is nothing but what? Minus 1. So simply what we are going to do, we are going to put the values of this alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So k as it is, x square as it is. Now alpha plus beta is nothing but what? 1 by 4. So we'll write 1 by 4 into x plus alpha into beta is nothing but what? Minus 1. So we write minus 1. Okay. So simplifying it further, this will be what? K into x square minus 1 by 4x minus 1. Further, I can take the LCM of this all, which will be what? LCM will be what? 4. So this equation will reduce to 4x square minus x minus 4, and outside k as it is. Why it is so? You know everybody कि यहाँ पे 4 है, nothing is there means 1 is there, so you have to multiply where nothing is there. Okay, so you get the equation. Equation means polynomial. Your polynomial will be what? K by 4 into 4x square minus x minus 4. Instead of k by 4, I can write a simply k dash. So it will be what? K dash into 4x square minus x minus 4 is equal minus 4, where this k dash is nothing but what? K by 4. Remember one thing, in this question we are asked only the one quadratic polynomial, but if you put the different values of this k dash, you will get what? Different polynomial. So you can write either this journal or you can write only this one. This is the your one quadratic polynomial which will have what? Sum of zeros as what? 1 by 4, and product of 0 as what? Minus 1. Hope you have understood this particular. Okay, let's move for the next question. When we do all the question, you will able to understand it very formally. So let's move for the second one. So what is given? The first number in this is what? Given as root 2, and second as what? 1 by 3. Okay, so what this implies? Alpha plus beta is nothing but what? Root 2, and alpha into beta is nothing but what? 1 by 3. So your quadratic polynomial will be p of x is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Always write first what is the journal form, then go for the substitution. Normally what happens in hurry, the students of 10th class normally forget to write this equation. Okay, and somehow they do the mistake over here or somewhere here in the sign. So better always write the journal form. Okay, clearly. Then it will be what? X square minus alpha plus beta is nothing but what? Root 2 into x plus alpha into beta is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. So this will be, if I take the LCM I will take it as what? 3. So this will change to 3x square minus 3 root 2x or plus 1. Okay, next I can take further 3 in the denominator of k, so it will be what, k by 3, 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1, or simply k dash 3x square minus 3 root 2 x plus 1. Here this k dash is nothing but what, k by 3. So this will be what my next will be what my required quadratic polynomial. Similarly, if I take the third one, simply in the third, what is given? Third, first is what, 0, and second number is given as what, root 5. What this implies here, alpha plus beta is nothing but what, 0, and alpha into beta is nothing but what, root 5. So your quadratic polynomial will be what, p of x is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. When we substitute the values, it will be what, k into x square, this will be what, 0 into x plus root 5. So your required polynomial, quadratic polynomial, will be what, k into x square plus root 5. Hope you have understood this particular. Now if you understood this my teaching, please like and subscribe my channel and share among your friends. Okay, so let's move to the next question. The fourth question says, in this, the sum of the roots is given as 1 and product of root is also given as a what, 1. So what this implies, alpha plus beta is nothing but what, 1, and alpha into beta is also 1. So quadratic polynomial p of x will be k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Substitute the values, so it will be what, k into x square minus 1 into x plus 1. So simply your required quadratic polynomial will be what, thus. Okay, so we move for the next fifth part. In the fifth part, what is given? The first number is given minus 1 by 4 and second number is given about 1 by 4. So the first number according to question is what, the sum of the zeros. So alpha plus beta is nothing but what, minus 1 by 4, and alpha into beta is nothing but what, 1 by 4. Your quadratic polynomial will be p of x is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Substitute the value of alpha plus beta, k as it is, x square as it is, minus of 1 by 4 plus alpha into beta is what, 1 by 4. If we simplify it further by taking the LCM, so it will be what, k by 4, it is what, 4 x square plus x plus 1. Instead of k by 4, I can write what, k dash, which is what, k dash into 4x square plus x plus 1. So this is my required what, polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Last question of this exercise, where alpha plus beta is given as 4 and 1. So alpha plus beta is 4 and alpha into beta is what, 1. So your quadratic polynomial p of x, if I say, it will be k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, which will be resulting, alpha plus beta is what, 4, so 4x plus alpha into beta is what, 1. So this will be your required quadratic polynomial. Hope so you have understood how to find the quadratic polynomial if sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros is what, given. Okay,